Hi everyone, it's Tuna here. Are you looking for a refreshing and healthy meal option? Then this is for you. Today I am going to share how to make avocado and tuna salad with fresh ingredients. So grab your apron and let's dive right in.
Firstly, we diced our avocado into bite-sized pieces. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and essential nutrients, making them a fantastic base for our salad. Next, we got cherry tomatoes. These tomatoes give sweetness to our salad. Dice them into little pieces and place them in a large mixing bowl. Now we are adding our crunchy element, cucumber. Slice up into little pieces and add it into the same bowl. We are adding half of finely chopped red onion, which gives a mild kick to our salad. Add about 1/4 cup of cilantro. All these ingredients make a salad that's enough for 2 people. In goes our avocados and 180 grams of drained tuna. Now for our dressing, add some pepper, salt, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and juice of half lemon. All these flavors create a tangy sensation. Now let's bring everything together, give it a gentle toss to make sure every bite is coated with flavors. This is great for lunch or even dinner, a light, healthy meal. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel to see more flavorful videos. See you next time.